Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a drive oxygen tank. First, always inspect your oxygen tank for any visible damage or leaks before each use. Next, firmly attach the regulator to the tank valve, ensuring a tight seal to prevent oxygen loss. Then, set the flow meter to your prescribed oxygen rate, which is typically measured in liters per minute. This initial setup is crucial for safe and effective oxygen delivery. Once your regulator is attached, connect one end of your oxygen tubing to the regulator's outlet port. Then, attach your nasal cannula or oxygen mask to the other end of the tubing. Now, slowly turn the tank valve counterclockwise until the pressure gauge indicates oxygen flow. Listen for the gentle hiss of oxygen and feel for the flow at the cannula or mask to confirm it's working. It's important to regularly monitor your oxygen tank's pressure gauge to know how much oxygen remains. Never adjust your flow rate without explicit instructions from your doctor or a healthcare provider. Also, always ensure your oxygen tubing is free of any kinks or obstructions, and that your nasal cannula or mask is comfortably and correctly positioned for optimal oxygen delivery. For safety, always keep your oxygen tank at least 5 feet away from any heat sources, open flames, or electrical appliances. Store the tank upright in a secure, well-ventilated area, preventing it from falling over. Most importantly, never smoke or allow anyone to smoke near an oxygen tank. These precautions are vital for preventing accidents and ensuring safe oxygen use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.